these are secular men that were offended by their own personal story and divorce procedure.
Do we know if they are Ashkenazi, Mizrahi,
Both.
traditionalist?
Both. One of them is also religious, but it's not a characteristic. It's the core is very small, and I think the enigma is how effective they are, although they're so small in number. How much the public is eager to hear that fathers want to be involved with their kids' life, and not aware that these activists are those that don't pay child support, that they have files in the welfare ministry because of their violence toward their wife or children. So some of them have very, very problematic personal history. We try to make people like Ilana Dayan and Uvda interested in revealing more about who are the major actors, and we fail. For example, in the in the virtual sphere, they would publish anonymously. You wouldn't know who they are. So when they're bashing judges, Google has to remove them without really knowing who they are. This is one of the where they are acting. I think, and this is what I'm going to talk in the next lecture in an hour at the Bar Association, is that for the first time in Israeli history, the rabbinical courts are becoming a better place than family courts. So not only it's not related to religion, religion becomes the haven for women because the rabbis are still holds the perception of traditional gender roles, which in most families are the reality. So it's the family court judges who are affected by this formal equality discourse, forcing, for example, joint child custody in realities in which the father wasn't involved whatsoever, and there's not enough money for. Just 2 days ago, the rabbinical court issued the first ruling saying joint physical custody is bad for poor families. So it's it's really.